Hello everyone, welcome you on investmentguru.com. DSA Sensex spot closed at 77,379, loss of 1,844 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 23,431, loss of 573 points. Bank Nifty spot closed at 78,734, loss of 2,255 points. Market breadth was negative. BSE 500 closed at 34,288 with loss of 1,414 points. Nifty 500 closed at 21,799 with loss of 909 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty IT index, which closed at 44,609 with gain of 2.02%. And top loser was Nifty PSU Bank index, which closed at 52,170 with loss of 8.54%. Now let's analyze Nifty chart. On January 10, 2025, the Indian stock market saw another volatile session with the Nifty closing below 23,450, marking its third consecutive day in a red. Broader base selling across the sector reflecting investor cautious ahead of global events like US payroll data and domestic factors including the upcoming budget sessions. With uncertainty running high, market volatility is expected to persist in upcoming weeks. The Nifty opened with an upward gap but faced a selling pressure from the opening tape. It took support near the election day exit poll day high at place at 23,338. The index is trading below 200-day exponential moving average, a critical long-term indicator, which is currently at 23,670. On the shorter time frame, the relative extent index RSI showing a positive diversion, hinting a positive potential short-term bounce, which trader can use as an opportunity to take a short position. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty cumulative OI increased with 30.56% and price decreased to 2.39%, which suggested short buildup. Nifty 16 Jan 2025 weekly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 24,500 strike with the open interest of 1,21,666 lot. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 22,000 strike with the open interest of 1,06,445 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 24,000 strike with the addition of 53,499 lots. Max open interest change happened on PE side at 23,000 strike with the addition of 61,062 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Nifty cross above 23,700 levels, then it can move towards 23,900 to 24,000 levels. But if Nifty breaks below 23,300 levels, the index can go down towards 23,000 to 22,900 levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty chart. On Friday, January 10, 2025, Bank Nifty opened at 49,426 but faced selling pressure throughout the day, closing down 769 points or loss of 1.55%. Over the week, the index dropped by 2,255 points, breaking a bearish triple top pattern on a weekly chart with a negative RSI diversion, signaling possible further weakness ahead. However, on the short-term time frame, it is in a oversold territory with positive diversions, suggesting a potential short-term bounce. The bounce could be provide opportunity for the traders to take short positions. In the short term, Bank Nifty has support at 48,200 to 47,500, while resistance is seen at 49,600 to 50,500. Let's look at Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty cumulative OI increased with 22.74% and price decreased to 4.42%, which suggested short buildup. Bank Nifty 30th Jan 2025 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on CE side was seen at 52,000 strike with the open interest of 1,77,577 lots. Highest open interest on PE side was seen at 46,000 with the open interest of 1,266 lots. Max open interest change happened on CE side at 49,000 with the addition of 44,356 lots. Max open interest change happened on P side at 46,500 with the addition of 12,662 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Bank Nifty cross above 49,500 levels, then it can move towards 50,500 to 51,200 levels. But if Bank Nifty breaks below 48,600 levels, then the index can go down towards 48,200 to 47,500 levels.